What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am super excited. If you know, you know, I love Apple products, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship smartphone this year. I can't wait to bust this thing open. I don't want to wait any longer. Let's get to the unboxing. That's what you're here for. Let's get into it. All right, so let's just jump right in and unbox this bad boy right here. All right, so the first thing, I want to just look at the packaging. Nothing really too special about the packaging. It looks like every other Apple box that you're gonna see. You got the picture of the iPhone on the front. You got your spec information on the back. And then we still have our trusty seals. Probably the most satisfying part of opening the box is these trusty little seals that we're gonna burst open. But nothing special about the box, nothing too crazy about the graphic art for the screensaver this time around. Just very minimalistic, very small box, because I don't believe there's a brick that comes with the iPhones anymore. So very slim. You typically just get the phone, the charger, the paper, but we're gonna open this up and see for sure. So let's go ahead and start with this first piece right here. Oh, feels so good. Go ahead and do the bottom here. I'm acting like I've never opened an iPhone before. I think my hands are shaking. Go ahead and get this second one open. Ooh, that feels too good. Now they like vacuum seal this box typically, but this one is coming off pretty easy. And here we have that beautiful natural titanium. This thing feels so smooth. This thing is, I don't even want to take it out of the box. It's a beauty. This camera's sitting in there. I like the glass around the camera, has a nice texture, but this color, see if I can get in the light here. Whew, this thing is clean. Take this little tab out here, super light compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We got our little action button right here. We've got our volume up and down. Got our lock screen button here, but I don't know if you can see how rounded the edges are on this thing. It is super sleek, super comfortable to hold in your hand. But again, here's the color. All right, that thing is beautiful. Almost matches the Mac Mini that I have right here. But we're not gonna touch the screen just yet. I'm super picky about putting a case and screen protector on my phone, but I will say so far, my first impression of just holding it, this is gonna be probably the first iPhone where I'm gonna be 50-50 on whether I wanna put a case on this thing. It's super, super comfortable. The rounded edges in the front are absolutely just a great upgrade to the body. Is the titanium, the texture. This thing is beautiful, but we're not going to touch the screen just yet. We're going to set this off to the side over here and look at what is in the rest of the box. So we've got our USB-C cable here. We all probably knew this was coming based off the rumors and just any Apple news last minute leading up into the event. You pretty much knew we were getting USB-C. I think Apple had their hands tied in terms of they had to have USB-C this year, but it's braided, supposed to reduce tangling. All right, but we've got both of our USB-C sides here, and I have plenty of bricks, so that's not a problem that it didn't come with a brick. Kind of a short cable, but I use wireless charging on my nightstand anyways, and so just the fact that we've moved to USB-C and they give us a cable, that's totally fine. I have plenty, but this one is nice. Again, no brick in here, and we get our papers. We get our customary Apple sticker. Let me know in the comments below if you guys actually use these stickers for anything. I have so many, I end up just tossing them. But just another part of Apple being super minimalistic. There's not a ton that comes in the box. We're just getting the cable. There's no brick. Even the paper and instructions there's not much here. When you set your phone up is when you get most of your instruction and most of your walkthrough process. So they don't waste any space for that in the box whatsoever. So that's it in the box. Just the cable, papers, and the glorious, glorious iPhone. All right, so we'll set this to the side right here, and we'll pull our iPhone back into the fold, and let's just see what we got here with our glorious, see if I can get that in there for you guys, our glorious USB-C. There we go. The coveted USB-C, finally on an iPhone. It's really weird, I don't know. I mean, I'm ready for USB-C, but I'm also not used to it on iPhones. So I'm a little nervous, but it is great to see that on there. And again, just the color, the texture, I'm loving this titanium. So this is probably about as far as I'm gonna go with touching the iPhone after this. I will peel this off so that you can see the screen, but probably off camera, I will apply my screen protector and my case because I am super anal about just protecting my products. You spend a lot of money on these. Yes, you have Apple Care, but at the end of the day, I have to put a screen protector on and a case. So let's just peel this back, the most nerve-wracking part of this whole thing, and we see the beautiful screen. If we can get the welcome to pop up here for us. Got the beautiful Apple. There we go. There we go. Absolute beauty of a device. I'm loving it. Top features right now, obviously going to USB-C for some future proofing. You do have to get an additional cable to get the fast speeds that Apple talks about for the USB-C, but for the reduction in clutter for other cables, it's not that big a deal. I may end up purchasing the cable, or I might just be grateful enough that we have USB-C. I'm excited for that. I do like the rounded edges and the move to titanium. And then I will have to do some testing with this device with the camera, but there has been some improvements to the camera as well. So looking forward in the next week or so, just getting out and using the phone, shooting some video, shooting some photos, and really seeing the improvements firsthand. I hope to make a video about some of my experiences with this being my daily device, because this will be my daily device. I am a Apple user, so I'll be using this every day. And so I hope to give you guys my opinion and first impressions after actually using the new iPhone. But the hands-on unboxing, well done. This thing will run iOS 17. They tout that this will be able to play AAA titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. We will find out if that's the case. I don't do a ton of mobile gaming on my phone, but I will test it out. I can't pass up the ability to play a Resident Evil game on my phone. But overall, we've got ourselves a real beauty here in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This phone is pretty sweet, pretty sleek, and the color, I think natural titanium again is the best color that you can pick. I haven't seen any other colors in person, so it could just be that this is the only one I've seen, but given the preference and me coming from space gray, I don't think this is too bad. It's kind of a lighter version, almost silver gray, but not quite white. where, you know, strong color. I like it. iPhone 15 Pro Max, baby. Launch day device. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So there you have it. There is my unboxing, my first initial look at the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let me know in the comments below, did you get an iPhone 15 this year, whether it's the original, the Plus, the Pro, or the Pro Max? Did you upgrade your phone? Did you skip? Let me know below, what color did you get? Did you skip? I want to know all the details. I love mine. I want to know what you guys think. Appreciate you sticking through this video. If you found this video enjoyable, if you like the content, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for your boy. If you want to see more content, go ahead and hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. We get into it over here. We get into it. All right, so I'm going to go spend a little quality time with this iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay, if you haven't got you one, go get you one. Go sell something. Go get into debt for Apple. All right, go get you an iPhone. Right, that's the excitement level that we should all have, right, for the products. Like, just, I would hope.